Hey, what's up, guys? Jason here. Sorry about it being so late, man. It's been a crazy day. Wanted to know, can you guys make it without using the internet for a day? So today, our internet went out about 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, right before we get up to do our morning routine of DDP yoga. And hey, how's it going, Steven? It's been a crazy day because we live in Central America. We're used to an outage about maybe an hour, 2 hours, but we literally just got our internet back on. So I'm about to actually get in here, knock out my two workouts for the day. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really feel like doing it. It's been a long day. Uh, so just want to know, could you guys go a whole day without internet? I didn't realize how bad I needed it for just everyday things. Yeah, see, that's how I felt today, Steven. I was like, shit, I ain't get my yoga in. I like to get my first one in before about 5 or 6 in the morning, and get my second one in the afternoon, and just relax the rest of the day. So it's been a crazy day for me. But hit me up, guys. Let me know. Could you make it without a day using the internet? All right, have a good one.